I hear Uncle Ted's train. Good morning, Uncle Ted.
Good morning, children.
Look! Window, floor, wall, door, chair, table. Bye, Uncle Ted. Drive safely. We don't have any wood.
Pinocchio will be so upset.
No, we can't hurt a beautiful tree just for wood.
The tree is alive. We need Kangi.
What are you doing on a carpet?
Carpet surfing.
What's wrong, my dearies?
Geppetto needs wood to build Pinocchio a little sister, but we can't find any wood.
We promised Pinocchio a little sister.
Did you say little sister? Be right back.
Hi, I'm Paul. What's your name?
I'm Penny. I'm a bamboo doll. Penny lives in the forest. She wants a good home with a big bed and a big brother.
Oh, let's take Penny back to Pinocchio and Geppetto.
What a brilliant idea!
So easy and clear.
We can do it. We can.
Lead the way, young man.